So chords. Chords are basically three notes that are usually played together at the same time. So remember, went through do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, which is a major scale. I'm going to play in C. So I'm going to do do. Yeah, that is specifically for my fingering. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then coming back would be 3, 2, 1. Yeah, then the left hand would be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 1, 2, 3. Then back to finger 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's fingering. Now that exercise will help you release the tension in the fingers. So you have to do it really fast, as many times as possible, until your fingers become free and relaxed. Now back to chords. Do, mi, and so. This is the C major chord. If you remember, we also went through like F, and we were saying 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And that's F major chord was this one. Then we played D major, which was do. D major chord would be D. Yeah, so that's the D major chord. Now I want you to concentrate. I want to teach you something fresh from C, something totally different. But yeah, it will just be an addition to the chords. So that is C major chord. That I'm going to call this 1 because it starts on the very first note of the scale. Then I'm going to call this 2. I'm following the do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, like the order of the notes, and in C there is no black note, so it's basically just the white notes. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. I'm basically just leaving one note in between. So this, and that. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8. Now I want you to notice one thing. I'm saying this is 1, and I'm saying this is 4. But if you remember, this 4 looks like F major chord. And actually that's what it is. That's its name, F major chord. So this is F major chord, and this would be like G major chord. And then you remember this is not this. When you are playing in D, you play D major chord, and this is what it looks like. But now instead of playing D major chord, we are playing this, because in C there are no black notes. So we're playing this instead. So this, as we go on to discover, it will be D minor chords. Now I don't want you to get the names first time, but I know you will get them with time. But I want you to notice that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Yeah. And I'm going to send you some songs so that you can play in chords. Basically, a song that you can play. Let me say, sitting at the feet of Jesus. Sitting at the feet of Jesus, where 5 can mortal be more blessed. Back to 1. And there are my sins and sorrows, and when we find sweet rest, sitting at the feet of Jesus, there I'd love to weep and pray. so precious. It has won my heart at last. Yeah, now that's the basic chord version. If you can play that, then you've understood chords. I was basically using 1, 4, this is 5, 4 and 5. Those are the two chords, those are the three chords I was using. So you can play a whole song with just 3 chords. Yeah.